Hello everybody, and I'm back with another video. It's been like a long time. The reason why I haven't been here in a while, like a long while, is because I've been working really hard on my animation channel. I've been doing the animations, doing the voice acting, and yeah, it's taking a while. And plus I was sick, so yeah. I'm finally back here on my gaming channel, and I'm gonna be doing this Pokemon tier list. I got the idea from CY Plays and the Aura Guardian. So I'm gonna do it too, since I like doing what other people do, since it's cool. Normal. This is Kanto, by the way. I'm just gonna jump right in because why not? My favorite normal type of the Kanto region. I don't want to choose Loxy Boy, but I might have to choose Loxy Boy. What about Eevee? I think Eevee sounds like a good choice. I don't know. You know what? Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff is like so cute, and he's a cutie boy. And yeah, I like when he puts everybody to sleep in the anime. Alright, fire. I don't want to choose Charizard since everybody does it, but Charizard. You thought I wasn't going to choose Charizard? Get noobed. Okay, there's so many water types in the Kanto region. Yeesh. My favorite one, is Lapras. Because why not? Grass. Victor Bell, since I have it on my team, and Let's Go Even is one of my strongest Pokemon. Electric. I have to choose Pikachu. I'm sorry, but there's no other option. There's no other option. There's such little ice types. Sheesh. So I'm not going to choose Jinx. I hate Jinx. I'm not going to choose Lapras again because I only want to choose each Pokemon once for each generation. And for this one, I'm gonna choose Cloyster because he's an oyster. And yeah, Cloyster is Cloyster. And for fighting type, Hitmonchan, because Hitmonchan is a very cool little punchy dude, and he punch like a punchy dude. Poison type. Oh, geez, there's a lot of poison types in the Kanto region. I think I'm gonna choose Gengar for Ghost, since there's literally only 3 Ghost types in the Kanto region. So for Poison, I'm choosing Vileplume. I just like Vileplume. He's a cool, flowery guy. I keep saying that, but it's cool. For ground, I think this is gonna be my first non-evolved Pokemon. It's Cubone. Flying type. My favorite flying. I'm not gonna choose Charizard again. Butterfree, because it was Ashes. It was Ashes. Next, for Psychic, I'm choosing Mr. Mime. Mr. Mime is very annoying, but that part of him I like because Mr. Mime kind of annoying is good kind of annoying. For Bug, I'm choosing Scyther. For Rock, Aerodactyl, because he's a dinosaur. Gengar for Ghost. Dragonite for Dragon. For dark, whoa. Whoa. There are no dark types in the Kanto region, but they put Missing No, the ghost, the bone forms of Aerodactyl, and what's his name, Kabutops, and whatever that thing is. Okay, Missing No is an OG, though it's technically a bird type. A steel. Magneton. Actually, no, what, Magnemite. I like Francois. You know, the one scientist dude, Francois. Yeah, that guy. His Francois, aka Magnemite. Oh no, Fairy. Wigglytuff this time. Actually, no, Clefairy. Clefairy's cute. Starter. Eevee. My favorite overall starter is Charizard. My favorite fire type in this Kanto region is Charizard, but my favorite starter overall is just Eevee. For gimmick form, oh man. You got Megas and Dynamaxes here. So, Gigantamax Eevee isn't technically Eevee. They're two completely different, not completely different. They're just two different Pokemon. Get mad at me in the comments all you want, but I'm picking Eevee. Legend, my favorite legendary. Moltres, since fire is my favorite type. My favorite overall. Eevee. Yep, I said it. It's Eevee. Alright, my favorite Johto normal type is Igglybuff. This guy's cute. Fire. Typhlosion. For water. Totodile. He's cute. For grass, Jumpluff, since I have it on my team in Scarlet and Violet. Electric, Pichu. He's cute. For ice, Delibird, because of Delibird presence in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. There are only 3 fighting types in the Johto region? I never knew. Okay, Heracross. Because I like his anime appearances. They really make sense. I don't know, I'm just spitting out random things. This episode was unscripted. Not this episode, this video was unscripted. My favorite poison type is Crobat. My favorite ground type? Larvitar. Actually, no. Fanpy. He's cute. For flying, I'm not choosing Jumpluff again. Actually, for this one, I'm choosing Jumpluff, and for the other one, I'm choosing Celebi, because I like Celebi. For Psychic, so many unknown to choose from. I think I'll do unknown, not unknown. I think I'll do Wobbuffet, since he's Team Rocket's Bug. No, that's not Bug. That's Rock. I'm gonna change my fighting option. Hitmontop. For Bug, I do Heracross. For Rock, Truly Wudo. From Scarlet and Violet. Such a wide variety of Pokemon. I wonder who I'm gonna... Mischievous! Dragon. Who should I pick here? This is a really tough decision. Oh, Kingdra, totally. For Dark. Okay, finally, there's not only one Pokemon to choose from. Umbreon. I got it on my team in Scarlet and Violet. For Steel. Caesar. For Fairy, I'm going to choose Cleffa. Because Kifa is cuta. My favorite starter is Cyndaquil. He's a cute little guy. My favorite manga is Scizor by far, since Scizor is a really cool Pokemon overall, and its Mega just amps it up to 11. And for Legends, I'm not choosing Celebi. Actually, you know what? I have to. You know what? No, just my favorite grass type is not Celebi. It's Bellossom, and my favorite legend is Celebi. Pokemon Legend Celebi. My favorite overall, Jumpluff. He always has a place in my heart. For normal, for Hoenn. Yeah, the purple Kecleon. They have the purple Kecleon? I guess he's technically a different Pokemon from Kecleon, since it isn't any form of Kecleon that we've seen so far, besides in the Mystery Dungeon games. Anyways, my favorite normal type is... Wait, hold on. Swablu's a normal type? I don't recall Swablu being a normal type, but whatever. My favorite normal type is... the purple Kecleon. Because Kecleon is like Kecleon. For Gen 3, my favorite is Torchic. Torchic's cuter than Blaziken. For obvious reasons. Now, for water type. Ludicolo, since Brock has a Ludicolo. My favorite grass type is not Ludicolo. It's Tropius. Actually, no, Roselia. I might change that later for poison. My favorite... Wait, hold on. I clicked on the wrong one. Okay, Plusle. Is that Plusle? That's Plusle. Okay, Hariyama. Oh no, I skipped the flying. This is not flying, this is ice. Okay. Cast form, snowy form. For poison, Dustox. Jesse's Dustox is very, very, very cute. Because it's Dustox. Like, what do you expect from a bug? Actually, you know what? Never mind. You would not expect a bug to be cute, but for some reason, Dustox is very cute. My favorite ground type is Whiscash. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Shadow Lugia? Is that Shadow Lugia? Seriously? There's so many game callbacks. Beautyfly. I got him in Pokemon Legends Arceus. For Psychic, unknown question mark and exclamation mark came out in this generation? I never knew that. Not Shadow Lugia, not any of the Deoxys forms, not any of the unknown forms. Jirachi. Or Jirachi, or however you want to say it. My favorite bug is Shedidja, because it's impossible to kill if it has the ability Sturdy. Ha ha ha. Alright, so Aeron, because of the strategy. one of those strategies. The strategy, the Aeron strategy, the strategy where the opposing Pokemon attacks it. Its ability Sturdy kicks in. It's at 1 HP, and then once it uses its attack, the Shell Bell that it's holding heals them up completely. So that makes it Aeron invincible. Anyways, that was very long. No, Shedinja is not my favorite bug type. Armaldo is. My favorite ghost type is Shedinja. My favorite dragon. Nope. My favorite dragon type is. Flygon. My favorite dark type. I think it's Shiftry. I have no explanation for any of these at this point. My favorite steel type, Mawile. Is shiny, is sick. Is mega shiny at least, is sick. I've never seen this shiny. Alright, so my favorite fairy type, Gardevoir. Actually not Ralts. Ralts is cute. It's so innocent. My favorite starter, shouldn't a Johto starter should have been technically been Espeon and Umbreon if we're counting the Stadium 2 games or whatever games that they Espeon and Umbreon are the starters in. Anyways, my favorite starter, Torchic. Blaziken. You know what? My favorite fire type is now Blaziken, and my favorite starter is now Torchic. My favorite gimmick form, what? Neek and Fuzzed. I don't know which one. Blaziken. Blaziken Mega Form looks really cool, and I like it because of Pokemon X and Y. My favorite legend. They had so many legendaries in this game. I'm gonna say Rayquaza, because I like Pokemon Emerald. Though I've never played it, I've seen people play it and it looks really fun. My favorite overall is Mega Blaziken. So now Gen 4, my personal favorite generation, I think. My favorite normal type is Bidoof. Bidoof? I don't know how to say it. Just kidding. It's Bidoof. It's obviously Bidoof. Like, who doesn't like Bidoof? My favorite fire type, I'm not going to choose Infernape because he's my favorite starter. You know what? I'm just gonna remove that rule. And my favorite starter for Kanto is still Eevee. My favorite starter for Johto is still Cyndaquil. And my favorite starter for Hoenn is Blaziken. Sure, hate on me in the comments all you want, but I don't care. Okay, I'm not going to choose Finneon. Finneon gave me the toughest time. He's probably my least favorite water type of all time. He gave me the toughest time completing the Dex in Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. Alright, there's not a lot of water type options that I like, so Bibarel. My favorite grass type, Roserade, because I really like Roserade, and Roserade is on my team. The Pichu with the spiky hair. I forgot what that's called, but I'm just gonna call it the Pichu with the spiky hair. Alright, so now We got Glaceon. For fighting types, Lucario. Yeah, for fighting types, this is Lucario. For poison types, actually no, I'm gonna change my grass option. I'm saying Budu for this one, and I'm saying Roserade for this one. Hey, I have Roselia and Budu and Roserade all next to each other. Yeah, not all next to each other. I have them all on this list. Yay! Hippowdon's Hippowdon and Hippopotas, gender difference. I don't like it because the first time I saw, the gray Hippowdon and the brown Hippopotas, I thought they were shiny. Yeah, embarrassing beginner moment there. All right, for ground, I gotta choose Gliscor. For flying, Drifloon. I have a bond with Drifloon because of Pokemon Go. Oh, my favorite psychic type is Uxie because I used it on my team, and it's actually very good. I don't know why many people hate on it, but I like Uxie. Alright, so for my favorite bug type is for that reason. Alright, my favorite rock type is Rhyperior. My favorite ghost type. Rotom. Because Rotom Dex. My favorite dragon type is Garchomp. My favorite dark type is Darkrai. My favorite, actually no, I'm changing that. Actually, you know what? No, I'm leaving it. Steel. My favorite steel type is Bastodion. I don't really like Bastodion. It was my favorite since I couldn't choose Lucario again. My favorite. There are two options. Alright, Togekiss. My favorite starters, Infernape. My favorite Mega is Garchomp. My favorite legendary is Uxie again. My favorite overall is Infernape. For Generation 5. My favorite year is Stoutland. My favorite fire type. I chose Stoutland because he's a very good boy. A fire type. Chandelure. Chandelure's a pretty hot Pokemon. Like hot in the temperature kind of way, not the other kind. The water type, my favorite is Oshawott. There's never any doubt about that. For grass type, my favorite is Snivy because of how well he treats Tepig before Tepig evolves into Tepig. Tepig doesn't evolve into Tepig. Tepig evolves into Pignite. My favorite electric type? Sorry for the noise. My baby sister just came in the room. My favorite electric type is Imamoga. My favorite flying? No, that's not flying. That's ice. Why do I keep thinking it's flying when it's ice? I'm choosing Vanillite. Or Vanillite. My favorite fire type is... My fighting type is Pignite. Because Ash has a Pignite. Because that's what I like to call it. I just like to call it Pignite. Alright. Among Us. Because of Among Us. For poison. Ground. Crocodile. Because Ash is a crocodile. But I could also technically choose Excadrill or Palpitoad because Ash also has those. But Crocodile was personally my favorite. I've got to choose for this one male on pheasant because yeah, I don't like female on pheasant because female on pheasant doesn't look good per se. My favorite psychic type. This is what I was waiting to choose Meloetta for. For a bug, Crustle! Silence Crustle. For steel, hold on. Crustle is not a steel type. Pardon me. Steel type. Crustle is a bug and rock type. Bug and rock type. For that reason, I am not choosing it for my favorite steel type. Oh, wait, that was rock. Oh man, I'm an idiot. Alright, for rock, I gotta choose Ryan Rolla because I like his voice. It is cute. Alright, for ghost, Coffargus. Coffargregus. It's Coffargregus. For dragon, the fake pseudo legendary. In case you guys didn't know, Haxorus is not a pseudo legendary. My favorite dark type is crocodile. Not crocodile, Crocorock. Because Crocorock always says, Rocco, Croco. So yeah. My favorite steel type is Excadrill. My favorite fairy type is Whimsicott? Yeah, it's Whimsicott. Whimsicott. My favorite starter is obviously Oshawott. My favorite gimmick form is... There are two! Garbodor. My favorite legendary. Yeah, Victini. Because that little guy's cute. My favorite overall is Oshawott. My favorite Generation 6 normal type is... I hate Furfrou. That's one thing. My favorite normal type is Diggersby, because Clement has a Diggersby. Fire type, Braixen, because Serena has her Braixen. And a water type, Froakie, Greninja, since Ash has a Greninja. Wow, Clement, Serena, and Ash. Wow. My favorite grass type is... Chespin Chess! Electric type is Day. Now we got a complete circle. We got Diggersby, which is Clement, Braixen, which is Serena's, Greninja, which is Ash's, and Day, which is Bonnie's. Oh, for ice type, Aurora Mora, I forgot what that guy was called. Amora? Aurora? Okay, fine. Amora. Since I can't remember what this guy's name was. Amora. Actually, no, just ditch those both. I like Avalok. Alright, my favorite fighting type? Chestnut. My favorite poison type is Dragalge. Because Tassel, the last Elite Four member has that guy. All right, my favorite ground type. Um, I really don't want to choose Zygarde, so I'm going to have to change this to Heliolisk. Actually, no, Pyroar. For ground, then I choose Diggersby. For flying, Noivern, I choose you. Psychic. Mega Galley looks pretty cool with that sword. For what type is it? Oh, it's bug. This Vivillon. Actually, no. The Paldean Vivillon-ish. That isn't Paldean Vivillon, but it's the Vivillon that spawns in... Is it Vivian or Vivillon? Whatever. My next Tamon is... For rock... is Deontay. My favorite ghost type is Hoopa. My favorite dragon type is... Wait, hold on. I didn't know that Mega Ampharos was a dragon type. Alright, I'm choosing for this one, Goodra. My favorite, dark type is... Malamar. My favorite steel type? Aegislash. Specifically sword form. Fairy type? They had so many fairy types in the Kalos region, probably because it was the newest type added. Alright, my favorite fairy type here is Sylveon. My favorite starter? Virga Ninja. My favorite gimmick form? Oh, jeez, there's a lot. Garchomp is my favorite mega, honestly. My favorite legendary? Zygarde, big form. My favorite overall has to be Noivern. No way. My favorite is Chespin. I guess my favorite normal type for Sun and Moon is Toucanon. My favorite fire type for Sun and Moon is Turtonator. Actually, no, Litten. I like Litten. Water type, Ash Greninja. Favorite grass type, Zarina. I just evolved my Steenie to Zarina today in Scarlet and Violet. My favorite electric type is Ash Hat Pikachu. This one. My favorite ice type. Why does that Alolan Sandshrew coloring look a little off colored? Alright, Alolan Ninetales. For fighting type, Marshadow. For poison type, Naganadel, since Ash had it. I keep basing my answers off if Ash had it, but the thing is, I like all of Ash's Pokemon. So yeah. Why are the Zygardes here? You know what? Never mind. Palossand. My favorite flying type, I think this was? Yeah, flying type. Is, Rowlet! My favorite psychic type is Solgaleo! My favorite bug type, Golisopod. I just had to choose Golisopod, Dusk form Lycanroc. He's obviously the coolest. Ghost Decidueye. Dragon. Executor. I like how they took its Lola's sunny climate and just made it as an excuse for Executor to be there. The Alolan Executor that are there to be tall. My favorite dark type is Incineroar. My favorite steel type, origin form Magearna. The Pokeball Magearna. Because Pokeball form Magearna actually looks really... Actually, not Togedemaru. He's cute. The Pokeball. Magearna. Finally, I can choose it. My favorite overall starter is Rowlet. My favorite drag... No, this is gimmick form. I've got to choose... oh, wait, stop. My favorite gimmick form here is Alolan Raichu. And my favorite legendary is Meltan. My favorite overall... Alolan Raichu. Actually, no, Decidueye. Cause how? Alright, my favorite Gen 8 normal type is Greedent. Sorry, Aura Guardian. Fire type. Favorite fire type Cinderace. That should be a no-brainer. Favorite water type. Rapid Strike style Urshifu. Actually, no. Yeah, actually. Hisuian. Whatever this guy, Decidueye. Electric type Yamper. Because Chloe, and because I really like his cute doggy personality. And he's a good boy. For this one, I gotta choose Hisui and Avalugg. I like the way that they took the climate around him, give him a ton of the climate, and then called it, him. And then, fighting type. My favorite fighting type is, Surfetched. Because he's a loyal dude. Toxel. No, that's not Toxel. Alright, my favorite ground type is G-Max Sandaconda. I like how they made him a sandstorm. This guy, this Cramorant, he makes me crack up. For Bug, this is not Bug, this is Psychic. Galarian Ponyta. For water, no, this is rock. For rock, I gotta choose Cleavor. I skipped over Bug. I like how they made Butterfree like a different kind of butterfly. Here, he's doing Typhlosion. Here, no, here. Dracopult. For dark, this is not dark. This is dark. Dada's a rude. I've never watched the movie, but I like that he can talk like the rest of the Zarude. Why can Zarude talk? Anyways, my favorite here. Wait, hold on. So they classified their Behemoth Blade and Behemoth Bash moves as different forms. Whoa, I didn't see that, but I like Zacian, normal Zacian. Fairy type, my favorite here is G-Max Grimmsnarl. They made him look all muscular, even though he's just a fairy type. My favorite here, Cinderace. My favorite, oh jeez, there's so many gimmick forms. And my favorite gimmick form is... my favorite gimmick form, Cinderace. My favorite legendary here is this guy, this Urshifu, his style of Urshifu. My favorite overall Cinderace. My favorite Gen 9 is... my favorite Gen 9 normal type is... wait, hold on. Are Balavas in normal type? What is our... Is, what type is our Boliva? It's a grass and normal type. I thought our Boliva was just pure grass. Whatever. So I'm gonna choose Dolive. For fire, I gotta choose Armarouge, honestly. For water, who doesn't like Hero Form Palafin? For grass, Meowscarada. I don't know why people find a Meowscarada so attractive, but I do not. For electric, yeah, Palmot. For ice, here we have Satitan. For fighting, Koraidon. For poison, I like the baby, the Cloud Diet. For this type, for ground, not Toadstool. Actually, yes, Toadstool. Flying. The only options here are Squawkabillies, Watchers, and birds. Just birds. That's it. I mean, I know it's flying type, but birds and one dragon. All right, so here I gotta choose Kilowattrel. I love how they measure his watts in kilowatts to know how electrical he is. For fire type, I gotta change my answer to Skeledirge, and here I gotta say armor. No, that's Rabska. I don't like Rabska. For here, Spidops. I don't know why. I just like Spidops. For rock, I think it was. Yeah, it's rock. Either this is Gargnockle or Knucklestack. I forgot his name. For a ghost, Saberledge. He's not a pain to get like the others. Well, if you're playing Scarlet, then yes, he's very much well of a pain to get. But I mean, well, actually, Bramblin isn't. Bramblin and Greavard and their evolutions aren't too difficult to get. But still, I like Saberledge because he doesn't. Dragon. Oh, Walking Wake. I love how they just made Suicune stand on all fours and make him look like a dinosaur. Alright, for dark, I think it is. Yeah, it's dark. For dark, we got all the Chians here, but I gotta say Mabastiff. The Mabastiff and Arven storyline is so sad, but it's also so heartwarming. when they reunite. So I'm positive. And besides, he's a good boy. All right, for Steel, Tinkaton. For Fairy, Dash Bond. Actually, no, Fido. For favorite starter, Evolution, Skeletorge. Favorite gimmick form, I like Paldean Wooper! They almost had no Paldean forms. Jeez. I just realized that. They had like one. How many Paldean forms did they have? They had two. They had Paldean Turos and Paldean Wooper. My favorite legendary. Why are only Walking Wake and Iron Leaves here? Why isn't every other Paradox Pokemon there? I've got to say Koraidon. Since I'm a Scarlet player, I love this dude. Favorite overall? Armarouge. I do know why, but Armarouge. My favorite overall normal type is the purple Kecleon. For fire, my overall favorite Cinderace. For water, my overall favorite is Ash Greninja. My favorite overall grass type is Zarina, I think? No, Blossom. My favorite electric type, I love it how I only chose Pikachu clones. The only one here is not a Pikachu clone is Yampert. And so for Johto, not for Johto, I just said Johto. Why did I say Johto? For electric, Palmot. For ice, Glaceon. For fighting, Lucario. For poison, the baby. For ground, Crocodile. For flying, Jumpluff. For psychic, I know I'm going really fast, but I mean this is really these questions are all really no-brainers. Armarouge here for this one. Whoop for rock. A Rhyperior for ghost. Gengar, he's an OG for dragon. I love how I chose so many pseudos here. So many pseudo legendaries. But my favorite overall is Dragapult. Actually, no, it's not Dragapult, it's Dragonite. He's an OG as well. Favorite here for dark is Mabostiff. Steel type favorite, Scizor. Favorite fairy type, the OG fairy type. Everyone's favorite fairy type, Sylveon. My favorite starter, Oshawott. Actually, no, my favorite starter, Cinderace. My favorite gimmick form has got to be Cinderace. My favorite legendary is Urshifu. And my favorite overall Pokemon is Cinderace. I'm done. I finally finished. This only took a million years. Oh no, I'm not done. Favorite regional bird? Starly. I like Gen 4. Favorite regional mammal? Okay. A bit of regional bug. It's Sewaddle. Suwawa. Favorite pseudo legendary? Dragon. Actually, no, Garchomp. Favorite Pikachu clone is Palmot. Favorite evolution? Is G-Max Eevee technically an evolution? I don't think so. I'm gonna choose Jolteon. My favorite fossil? I love have myself an Aerodactyl here. Favorite regional form. Yeah, they only had 2 Paldean forms. Wow. Regional variants. Raichu. Favorite Gigantamax. The Butterfree. For favorite box legendary? What's that? Oh, the main series legendaries. Arceus. He created everything. Favorite mythical. That is a rude. Favorite Ultra Beast. Naganadol. Favorite Paradox. Oh, finally we get some paradoxes. Yeah. Screamtail. Favorite type. Fire. Favorite Pokeball. The good old-fashioned Pokeball. Favorite Spinda. I don't want to do that. Favorite Vivian. the Paldean Vivian, since that's the only one I've experienced with. And favorite Alchemy is the Big Cake. Okay. Cinderace is my first team member. Oh no. Okay, so it works. Jumpluff. Lucario. Urshifu. Armarouge. And finally, Roserade. Where's Roserade? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Alright. Yay, I'm finally done. So guys, that's my favorite Pokemon of every single type and category and everything. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys later. I might do a video, where I do my least favorite one of these. So stay tuned. And yeah, so that's about it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya. A-Bunny out. Oh, it's not see ya. It's A-Bunny out. Hello, Pokemon Adventure!